Hello students, good morning to all of you. My name is Sanjay Thakur. Today we are discussing about epsilon delta definition of limit. In last lecture we talk about this definition also, but in this particular lecture we will see how epsilon and delta are related with each other. So now we discuss in detail here what is the exactly x minus a less than delta and what is exactly f of x minus l less than epsilon. First of all, we to each epsilon greater than 0 there exists a positive number delta such that when modulus of x minus a less than delta, which implies modulus of f of x minus l less than epsilon. In last lecture we talk about these two points in the definitions of limit. Now we will find here what is the range of this function and what is the range of this function, how we can correlate epsilon and delta, and also we will find what is the relation in between epsilon and delta. So our approach here, first we take this one and secondly we take this one here as it is. Now what is here? Modulus of x minus a less than delta, it means in class 11 or simply in class 12 we talk about inequality also as well as modulus function. So how we can operate this here? First of all, you should remember this thing. When we open this mod, we take both positive and negative value here. X minus a less than delta. Now what is our approach to solve this particular point? Here we take one side as a positive value and on the other side we take a negative value here. As you know, if you want to find this x here, so we simply remove this part from this left hand side. So how we can remove this part? Here is minus a, simply we add plus a on both sides, we will get the range of x here. Now we add plus a here and also here, plus a and minus a will cancel out here. In this side we get x less than a plus delta. There will be no change in the inequalities. There will be no change in the strict inequality here. Here in this case we will see when we apply negative, simply when we multiply here with negative sign, at that time the inequality less than change greater than. Simply we also get here what is the range of x. So we get x greater than a minus delta. Now simply in short we get x less than a plus delta and x greater than a minus delta. What is the meaning of this and this? Simply the value of x greater than a minus delta and less than a plus delta. Simply we can write also in this form, x belong a minus delta or a plus delta. So simply if you want to draw this thing on number line, we will show plus infinite minus infinite as it is here. X less than a plus delta. So here a plus delta we took on this side a plus delta. X a plus delta से less than है, मतलब we talk about this part. Now here x greater than a minus delta, we talk about here a minus delta. A minus delta greater, इससे greater in which side? This one side. What is the common part here? This is the common part in middle. This is the common part of x. It means x lies in between these two particular points. Similarly, for f of x minus l, we operate in this form, plus or minus as it is here. We take plus here and negative here. The static inequality will be changed here, less than change to greater than. We will find the range of the function. The range of the function will be L plus epsilon, less than L plus epsilon, or greater than L minus epsilon. Simply, just we can also show here L plus epsilon, simply L minus epsilon, less than we show here and greater than show here. So we will see this is the common part in which the function lies. Now we will see the relation of epsilon and delta in this particular function. Last time we talked about the function which is f of x is equal to x. In this function we see epsilon is equal to delta. What is the meaning of this? If epsilon, we take the value of epsilon here 1, so similarly delta is equal to 1, means both are equal. Now in this function we talk about what is the relation of epsilon and delta in this function. So now what is our approach here? First of all, we take a Cartesian coordinate here, x and y. Now we take any value put here x. So we take y. Simply y is equal to 2x here. If we put any value of x here, we get y. If we choose here x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 2. Similarly, we will write in this way 1, 2. If we take x is equal to 2, y will become 4. What is the meaning of this? We put x is equal to, or we get y is equal to 4. So in this way we draw this particular line which is based on these points. Now we want to find here what is the value of this function at a particular point a and a minus delta, a plus delta. What is the value of this function in these points? In generally, last time we discussed about a minus delta change related L minus epsilon, a limit What is the value of A here? L. And what is the value of A plus delta? L minus epsilon. Now in this function y is equal to 2x, simply first of all we take any 2 or 3 values, we draw this line in this form. This line is slightly greater than 45 degree. Now what is here? At particular point A, in generally we get the value L. Now if we choose here the value of x is equal to a, this further implies y is equal to twice of a. Now if we take this value, we get, for this particular value we get y is equal to twice of a. If we put x is equal to a plus delta, we get y is equal to twice of a plus delta. So we get twice of a plus twice of delta. For this particular point we get y. This is our x and this is our y. Now for a minus delta value of x, we take a minus delta, so we get y is equal to twice of a minus delta. Now here twice of a minus twice of delta, we get y. So simply we write here L plus epsilon, we get the value of y is equal to a plus 2 delta. We write here for a we take L is equal to twice of a, we get this value here, and also for a minus delta we get twice of a minus delta. What is the meaning of all these values here? Simply we get L is equal to twice of a, L plus epsilon is equal to twice of a plus twice of delta, L minus epsilon is equal to twice of a minus twice of delta. So when we compare these values, we get here epsilon is equal to twice of delta. What is the meaning of epsilon is equal to twice of delta? It means the distance in between a and a minus delta is simply we say if the distance between these 2 points we get 1 unit, so this unit we get 2 units. If you are not able to understand exactly here this distance and this distance is twice of this unit, and this unit is twice of this unit. मतलब कहने का क्या है, ये जो यहाँ पे एप्सिलॉन की वैल्यू रहेगी, एप्सिलॉन जो होगा वो डेल्टा के दुगना होगा, 2 टाइम होगा, और ये भी 2 टाइम। अगर आप थोड़ा सा देखने की कोशिश करेंगे यहाँ पे कितना छोटा है और यहाँ पे कितना गैप बड़ा है, जितना यहाँ पे है उतना यहाँ पे है। तो इस पार्टिकुलर फंक्शन के लिए हमने क्या फाइंड आउट किया कि जो एप्सिलॉन की वैल्यू रहेगी वो ट्वाइस ऑफ डेल्टा रहेगी। तो इस तरीके से क्या हमने देखा कि एग्जैक्टली जो एप्सिलॉन और डेल्टा के बीच में रिलेशन था वो किस तरीके से चेंज हो रहा है। कभी ये इक्वल भी होगा जैसे हमने पहले वाले फंक्शन में देखा था, और अब इस वाले फंक्शन में हमने क्या देखा कि द वैल्यू ऑफ एप्सिलॉन इज ट्वाइस ऑफ डेल्टा। तो आई होप you understand all these things Now अगर if you found any kind of queries regarding this topic, तो please drop the message in the inbox. I will reply you. Okay, thank you.